Hey guys, Mr. B here again, bringing you another lovely video. This one on the volume of a cylinder. And the volume of a cylinder, much like the volume of a cone, all you have to do is use the formula. So the formula, very similar to the volume of a cone, and they're actually connected, and I'll talk about that in another video if you want to check it out. The volume of the cylinder is simply pi radius squared, so that's the radius r, squared times the height. And that's the height, of course, a cylinder from the top to the bottom. Cylinder doesn't have a slant height like a cone. So we don't have to worry about Pythagorean theorem or anything with this one. So here's my poorly drawn cylinder, and I want to find the volume of it. So very simply, you just have to use the formula. My radius is 4, my height is 10. Volume is equal to pi r squared h, or pi radius is 4 squared times the height 10. So again, if you got a pi button on your calculator, I like to use it. It gives me the exact answer, or as close to the exact answer as possible. It doesn't give me an exact answer, but it gives me the best answer possible. So I do pi, then I do r squared, so 4 squared times 10, and I get from that 500 and I'll give them a 1 decimal place, 502.7 meters cubed. Remember, for volume, it is cube units. So I'm just going to double check that just to make sure I did it right. Yeah, we're good to go. Alright, let's try another one. So in this one I have a slightly better drawn cylinder here, of course. I use my line tools. And this one I'm given a diameter of 12 all the way across the circle and a height of 15. So it's something you have to be looking for, because your teacher's probably going to try and trick you by giving you diameter. So of course the radius in this one, r, is just simply 6. And the height is 15. So we got to be careful. Just divide the diameter by 2. So you get volume is equal to pi, then r squared is 6, times the height 15. Again, just do it all on your calculator in one step. Don't write a bunch of different steps for this. All in your calculator. Pi times 6 squared times 15. So that's 1,696.5. And no units, let's call it meters cubed like the last one. So there we go. So that's it, guys. That is the volume of a cylinder. 2 very simple examples. I hope this helps. See you guys in class.